Well, absolutely. The sea of devotees that we can see behind me, behind him, that is the Sangam Ghat, and there are the visuals of the Prime Minister taking the holy dip, offering arghya to the Lord's Son, and also crowd there standing behind him to watch him take the holy dip. Now, Prime Minister had earlier said that Mahakumbh is the Mahayagya of unity, and every Indian who takes a dip in this confluence of Sangam represents a beautiful picture of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, and that is what we are witnessing in the visuals right now. The Prime Minister taking the holy dip. Now they said that taking the holy dip in Sangam, that is the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati, purifies one's souls. It attains, helps them attain moksha, liberates them from the cycle of life and death. So there in the visuals we can see the Prime Minister along with the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath taking the holy dip. And after this, what we are learning is that they will do certain rituals in Ganga, and after that they will do the Ganga Aarti as well. This is as far as the plan of the Prime Minister is concerned. So he had arrived in Prayagraj around 10:30, and now 1 hour later he is taking the holy dip. He'll stay here for another 45 minutes is what we are learning, and then he will head back, as we were mentioning, that this is just to make sure that people who have come to Prayagraj, and there behind him you can see sea of devotees, they do not face any issue, and that is why VIP Ghat has been made to make sure that the VIP official comes, they take the holy dip and head back, and there are no barricading in the Mahakumbh area, and the devotees are able to take the holy dip seamlessly. And that is why in the visuals we can see the Prime Minister there with the Chief Minister taking the holy dip in the Sangam, that is the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. In the last 24 days, 40 crore people have already taken the holy dip. The target was 45 crore, and it seems that by the next Snan, that is on February 12th, that target will be achieved. So very, very significant visit of the Prime Minister in Prayagraj. He's currently taking the dip, and after that he will do rituals as he did in 2019. That time also the Chief Minister was by his side. He will do the rituals with the help of the saints there at the Sangam Ghat, and after that he will do the Ganga Aarti. That will culminate his visit to the Mahakumbh area. He will not go or enter the Mahakumbh area so that people do not face any issue. He will not go to Akshay-Vat or Hanuman Mandir, because for that he will have to enter the Mahakumbh Nagar, and that will for that his security will have to ensure that there are barricades. But he did not want that. He wanted that people and the devotees who are coming to Prayagraj to take the holy dip, they do not face any sort of hindrance, any sort of barricading or any sort of restriction, and hence after doing the Ganga Aarti he will head back to the national capital.
And the importance there that is now considered, especially when it comes to taking 3 dips at a time, in the holy river Ganga. This also has its own important rituals and importance that is also given in a way that when you are worshipping Ma Ganga, 3 dips or more than that is kind of an essential ritual that one needs to follow while taking the Astha Ki Dubki, Akanksha.
Well, absolutely. One takes 3 to 5 to 7 to 11 dips in the Sangam. That is the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati, as I was mentioning. And it is said that it purifies one's souls. It liberates them from the cycle of life and death. And in the visuals, we can see the Prime Minister there taking the holy dip along with the Chief Minister. And now in the last 24 days, several high-profile officials had come to the Mahakumbh Nagar. The first one to take the holy dip was definitely the Chief Minister. Then after that, in the last week of January, he came along with his entire cabinet of ministers here. All of them came here, they took the holy dip, and after that Amit Shah along with his family was here, and now the Prime Minister along with the Chief Minister today on the 24th day of the Mahakumbh Mela, taking a holy dip, taking dips in the Sangam where the Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati converge. After that they will do rituals. He also gave arghya to the Lord's Son. So this is how he is doing several rituals. He is praying for the countrymen. He is praying for one Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat is what we are learning, because as I mentioned the last time he was here, he addressed the public. He spoke a lot about the Mahakumbh Mela, the significance and why people should come here. But the focus was how the Mahakumbh unites the people of the country, how at Mahakumbh the difference between the language, the caste, the states, it all disappears. And this was the main message of the Prime Minister when he had come here. And he had said that every Indian who takes dip in the Sangam river, it represents a beautiful picture of Ek Bharat and Shresth Bharat. He in fact also spoke about the past neglect of the Mahakumbh Mela. During that address, he spoke about how that happened because there was a disconnect between the past governments and the tradition and the culture of the country. So he spoke about the past neglect.
But previously, as far as, you know, last year, early last year that we talk of the Prime Minister's visit to Ayodhya for the Pran Pratishtha for Ram Mandir, that was a defining spiritual moment, much like his participation today in the Mahakumbh. But of course, that only means that he is reinforcing India's spiritual and cultural heritage. Of course, this is a moment that inspires hundreds and millions of devotees.
Well, absolutely, and he had also called Mahakumbh a Mahayagya of unity. Last year, at the same time, around January, we saw the similar pictures from Ayodhya. I was also there. We got to witness the Prime Minister there as well. And 1 year later, now at the Mahakumbh, now we're witnessing that a new history is being written on the land of Prayagraj. Mahakumbh Mela, this right there, you can see in the visuals, this is Mahakumbh Mela that crores and crores people come to every 12 years. In fact, this is the largest religious gathering in the entire world. In the last 24 days, close to 40 crore people have already taken a holy dip here. Now, this number can go beyond 40 crore by the end of the Mahakumbh Mela, that is on February 26. So very, very significant Mahakumbh Mela. This is happening after 12 years, and most importantly, this is happening after 144 years because of the celestial movements is what we are learning, and that is why this holds extra importance. The Prime Minister is here on the 24th day, 21 more days to go. Lakhs and lakhs of devotees have come here till now. We've been speaking to a lot of them. In fact, since morning we've been speaking to a lot of them, and they are speaking about how this visit of the Prime Minister is so important for them. Let me go across and speak to one of the devotees who have come here. किस तरह देखते हैं प्रधानमंत्री के इस विजिट को?
प्रधानमंत्री एक सादगी भरे जीवन को उनका है, पूरी सादगी जैसे वातावरण में है और बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं। ऐसा कोई कह ही नहीं सकता है कि हमारे देश के इतने यशस्वी जो प्रधानमंत्री अभी हुए हैं जो, और उनका जो व्यक्तित्व, उनका स्वभाव, उनकी शैली, बोलने की शैली बहुत अच्छी है। और योगी जी को उन्होंने पूरा मतलब सहयोग, आशीर्वाद और जो एक केंद्र का जो मैनेजमेंट, जो पैसा जो प्रदेश सरकार को दिया, यूपी सरकार को, योगी जी सरकार को, ये एक अभूतपूर्व काम किया है। और ये विश्व का एक नंबर 1, ये हमारा जो देश विश्व गुरु बनने की तैयारी में है।
आप भी एमपी से हैं, आपके उज्जैन में भी कुंभ मेला होता है। आपको लगता है कि इस बार जैसा महाकुंभ मेला हुआ है वैसा रेप्लिकेट होना चाहिए बाकी जगह पे?
क्योंकि विश्व में इससे बड़ा स्थान तो कहीं नहीं है। तो इसलिए ये जो कुंभ का जो महापर्व है, ये एक अभूतपूर्व है। बाकी जगह जो है इतनी बड़ी व्यवस्था हो नहीं पाती, इतनी बड़ी प्लॉट जगह मिल नहीं पाती। जो गंगा की गोद, हिमालय की छाछ जो गंगा चल के आई हैं, ये हम सबको धन्य कर रही हैं। हमारे जो श्रद्धालुओं का जो श्रद्धा का, विश्वास का जो हुजूम दिख रहा है, ये एक बहुत ही आश्चर्यजनक है। और ये विश्वास, आशा ही नहीं, पूर्ण विश्वास है कि एक दिन हमारा ये देश, भारत देश, एक विश्व गुरु के नाम से जाना जाएगा।
So you heard the devotee right here. He said that this is an extraordinary moment that he is also witnessing. In fact, he along with his family been standing here since morning. Now they're waiting for the Prime Minister to go back to the VIP Ghat so that they can also wave back at the Prime Minister. As soon as the Prime Minister left from the VIP Ghat, he waved at the devotees here, and the devotees, as we were witnessing here, they were also waving back at him. So very significant, extraordinary moment of the Prime Minister going to the Sangam Ghat, taking the holy dip, giving Arghya to the Lord's Son, after that doing rituals, and then he will be doing the Ganga Aarti as well, as he did in 2019. It was a very, very significant moment. History, in fact, being written. 40 crore people in the last few days who have come to the Mahakumbh Mela, which is the largest religious gathering in the entire world.
Well, interesting what you're bringing to us, Akanksha, and you're also getting us a sense of how the things are on the ground, even as we stay live with the visuals that we are getting from Prayagraj at this point in time, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi is taking the holy dip at the Triveni Sangam, the confluence of three rivers during Mahakumbh 2025. You're also telling us that the local residents, devotees attending the Mahakumbh are filled with excitement over Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit. Akanksha, can you also tell us a little bit about, the importance of this particular day? Why 5th of February was chosen by Prime Minister Narendra Modi for this holy dip at the Mahakumbh 2025? Any specific significance, the importance of this date that you've managed to gather from the authorities, from, the people around?
Well, you see, the focus was that people should not face any issue, and hence today is the 24th day of the Mahakumbh Mela. This day was particularly chosen because the crowd has definitely come down, and the Prime Minister, in fact, had directed the officials to make sure that people do not face any sort of issue. There is no barricading, and hence he has decided to come to this particular ghat that is called Arail Ghat, that is away from the rush of devotees. So the rush is on the other side of the Arail Ghat, that is the Sangam Ghat. That is where the majorly lakhs and even crores on some days there, and the focus of the Prime Minister was to make sure that they're not, he does not pose any hindrance to the devotees there, and hence this day was chosen by the Prime Minister. Let me go across and speak to one more devotee here. कहाँ से आए हैं?
हम गुजरात से आए हैं, मोदी के गांव से आए हैं।
देख लिया अभी मोदी जी को?
हाँ, हमने आए मोदी को देखने के लिए यहीं खड़े हैं हम।
अच्छा, किस तरह देखते हैं? मोदी जी हैं, अभी चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं, यहाँ के श्रद्धालु 40 करोड़ तक आ चुके हैं। किस तरह देखते हैं लोगों की श्रद्धा को?
हम श्रद्धा को देखते हैं, मोदी को हम मोदी नहीं मानते, हमारा आने वाली पीढ़ी को महापुरुष मानते हैं। हम हमारा हिंदू धर्म का योद्धा है, हम मोदी योगी नहीं मानते, हम हिंदू धर्म को हम योद्धा मानते हैं। आने वाली पीढ़ी को हम महापुरुष मानते हैं, योगी और मोदी जी को।
आपका स्नान हो गया? स्नान कर लिया आपने?
हाँ, हमने
व्यवस्था कैसी लगी आपको?
बहुत अच्छी लगी। हम गुजरात जाके लोगों को भी बताएंगे, आप यहाँ आइए। और मोदी और योगी ने जो डिजिटल कुंभ बनाया है, देखिए कैसा एक कुंभ बनाया है। आप आइए और देखिए कि ऐसी व्यवस्था हमने कभी कहीं नहीं देखी थी। और यहाँ जो लोग सफाई कर रहे हैं, इसका हमने काम बहुत अच्छा लगा। सब क्षेत्र में कहीं भी गंदगी नहीं है, जहाँ भी देखो सफाई का एक नंबर काम है। हर क्षेत्र में कहीं भी जाओ, एक नंबर योगी और मोदी ने बनाया है।
व्यवस्था पे काफी प्रश्न उठाए गए थे कुछ टाइम पहले, एक स्टैम्पीड भी हुआ था, व्यवस्था पे भी काफी क्वेश्चन उठाए गए। आप लोग यहाँ काफी दिनों से, आपने क्या कुछ देखा है?
व्यवस्था तो बहुत अच्छी है। ये तो काम है विपक्ष का, या कि कुछ लोगों को का रहता है कि कमियां ढूंढने की, कमियां निकालने की। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, यहाँ व्यवस्था बहुत अच्छी है।
बस बहुत अच्छी व्यवस्था है। ऐसे कभी कभी 5-5 करोड़ लोग यहीं आ जाते हैं। ऐसे तो कई देश में, अमेरिका में बस्ती भी नहीं है, इतने लोग हमारे प्रयागराज में आ रहे हैं, तो भी कोई अव्यवस्था नहीं हुई। बहुत अच्छी व्यवस्था योगी जी ने किया है।
Well, you see, a new history is being written on the land of Prayagraj. In the last 24 days, 40 crore devotees have already come. In the coming days, in the next 21 days, more and more are going to come to Prayagraj. The target of the UP government was 45 crore people in 45 days. But now it seems that they will cross that particular landmark that they had set for themselves. And this number that can also go beyond 50 crore is what we are witnessing since day one.
Right. It's interesting, Akanksha. You were speaking to one of the devotees and he said that everything is clean. And this reminds me of 2019 Kumbh Mela in Prayagraj, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi had visited and he washed the feet of the sanitation workers. That was his way of expressing gratitude. It was an important message as well, because for him, swachhata, cleanliness, is something which is very, very close to his heart. So this time also, are we likely to see, any kind of interaction, or perhaps him meeting the sanitation workers or something like that? That's also part of the itinerary?
Well, Hina, what we are learning so far is that the focus of the Prime Minister is only on taking the dip, praying for the people, doing Ganga Puja, and then after he will head back to the national capital. He will not be, in fact, addressing the public, or he will not be speaking to any of the saints. His focus is that people should not face any sort of hindrance at all, and hence he will not be entering the Mahakumbh Nagar directly from the Rail Ghat to the Sangam Ghat and back to the national capital. But in the visuals there, you can see the Prime Minister along with the Chief Minister, they have embarked upon the boat, and now they are heading back to the Rail Ghat, where from there they will be leaving for the national capital. So the rituals have been done, the holy dip has been taken, and the Ganga Puja has been done, and now the Prime Minister and the Chief Minister there in the visuals, you can see they have again embarked upon that boat, that is the Nishad Raj boat, and they are now heading back to the Rail Ghat. Let me go across and again speak to the devotees who have come here. स्नान हो गया है, प्रार्थना भी कर ली है उन्होंने, गंगा आरती भी कर ली है प्रधानमंत्री।
तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, यहाँ के जो लोग हैं ये भी सब देखने जाते कि मोदी आए और हम देखे। इसने जो आज विश्व के सब धर्म के लोग हमारे धर्म को देख रहे हैं, जो मोदी ने भी अच्छा लगा कि हम जाए और गंगा में डुबकी लगा के और हम भी पवित्र हो जाए।
क्या कहेंगे?
बिल्कुल सही, हम धन है, अपने आप को आज धन समझते हैं। आज मोदी जी का स्नान हो रहा है और हमारा भी स्नान हुआ, और हम तो मोदी जी के लोगों से प्रार्थना करेंगे, लोगों से निवेदन करेंगे कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा संख्या में लोग आएँ। अभी तो 40 करोड़ की उम्मीदें हैं, और हो सकता है उससे अभी 26 फरवरी तक कम से कम 45 करोड़ लोग आएंगे।
So in the visuals, we can see there the Prime Minister along with the Chief Minister there on the boat. They are in fact now moving towards the Rail Ghat. That in the visuals you can see that is the Sangam Ghat, and now in just some time the Prime Minister will head back to the Rail VIP Ghat, back to this place. Now as he left from the Rail Ghat at around 11 o'clock, the first thing he did was to wave to the devotees, and we were here on the side of the VIP Ghat and we saw that the devotees were waving back to him. Some of them were even waiting since 6 o'clock in the morning for the Prime Minister to in fact come here and take the holy dip. So now the holy dip is done, the rituals are completed, the Ganga Aarti is done. Now in the visuals we can see there the Prime Minister along with the Chief Minister heading back to the Rail Ghat.
Right. Akanksha, stay on with us. Those are the live visuals that we are bringing for our viewers from Prayagraj. On one side of the screens, viewers, you can see Prime Minister Narendra Modi taking the holy dip. On the other part of the screen, viewers, you can see Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the boat now and going to Rail Ghat. And then he is expected to return to Prayagraj airport. What we are learning is that Prime Minister Modi will depart the city at around 12:30 by an Indian Air Force aircraft. Thank you, Akanksha, for the moment for joining us. Heading into a very, very short break. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.